You're about to waste months chasing Amazon KDP niches that are already dead. Oversaturated, underpriced, and crawling with low-effort clones. They look profitable on the surface, but they quietly kill your momentum. In 2025, picking the wrong niche isn't just unprofitable. It's a fast track to burnout, doubt, and disappointment. So today, I'll expose the top 5 KDP niches you must avoid and exactly what to do instead. Some of these might surprise you. If you're serious about building real passive income, not just spinning your wheels, this is The Silent Publisher, where we uncover powerful ways to profit from publishing in 2025, quietly but smartly. So if you want real strategies, make sure you subscribe, because the game is changing fast. Niche number 1 to avoid: blank line journals. These used to be the beginner's playground, but in 2025, they're the graveyard of broken KDP dreams. Why? Because the barrier to entry is non-existent. Anyone can upload 100-line journals in a day with templates, and they do, which means your unique journal is buried under thousands of nearly identical ones. The result? No traffic, no sales, just crickets. What to do? Instead, shift to guided journals for specific audiences. Think grief journal for new widows or mindfulness log for ADHD adults. By niching down and providing prompts, you offer real value, something algorithmically favored and emotionally resonant. These books stand out, get shared, and command higher prices. You're not just publishing a product, you're solving a problem. And that changes everything. Niche number 2 to avoid: generic word search books. They used to work in 2019, but now completely oversaturated. Hundreds of low-effort uploads flood Amazon daily with copy-paste puzzles. Unless you're a brand with thousands of reviews, you're invisible. And let's be honest, buyers know the difference between something handmade and mass-produced. What to do? Instead, create niche-specific puzzle books for passionate micro-communities. For example, word searches for baseball moms or cryptograms for sci-fi nerds. Yes, it takes more research, but people are obsessed with their subcultures. These niche puzzle books feel personalized, and they often lead to repeat buyers. Even better, pair puzzles with fun facts, quotes, or trivia tied to the theme. You're no longer selling a puzzle book. You're offering an experience. This shift from generic to targeted is where 90% of KDP beginners fail. But now, you won't. Niche number 3 to avoid: generic coloring books for adults. Yes, they were hot for years, but now they've become white noise. Search adult coloring book and you'll see millions of nearly identical listings. Mandala after mandala, floral after floral. There's no angle, no identity, no buyer loyalty. Most of these books are produced in bulk and priced to the bottom. What to do? Instead, go niche with theme-based coloring books that speak to specific emotions or communities. Think anti-anxiety coloring book for new moms, or funny cuss word coloring for retired teachers. Targeted plus emotionally charged equals viral potential. And if you don't know where to start, instead of wasting time with low-profit niches, watch my full tutorial on how to create Amazon KDP coloring books that actually sell. The link's in the description. Niche number 4 to avoid: password logbooks. These were once a gold mine, simple, fast, and high demand. But in 2025, they're mostly dead weight. Why? People are finally switching to password managers. More importantly, Amazon has quietly cracked down on low-content books with privacy risks. And buyers? They've grown suspicious of books that ask for sensitive info. It feels outdated and risky. What to do instead? Focus on home organization or life planner books that serve similar buyers, but with broader value. Try Home Binder for busy moms or Minimalist Life Planner for remote workers. These help people stay organized without crossing privacy lines, and they sell at a higher price point. They also give you more creative room: calendars, trackers, schedules, goal sheets. It's not about selling another logbook. It's about creating a tool that earns a permanent spot on someone's desk. That's how you future-proof your KDP strategy. Niche number 5 to avoid: generic gratitude journals. They flood the marketplace with soft pastel covers and copy-paste prompts. Everyone and their dog has uploaded one. And the problem? No angle, no voice, no connection. Buyers scroll right past them because they all feel the same. And on Amazon, sameness kills. What to do? Instead, publish story-driven gratitude journals for specific identities or moments in life. Examples: gratitude journal for cancer survivors, or daily thanks for new parents. These speak directly to emotion, and that sells. Add storytelling prompts. Include affirmations tailored to their journey. This turns your journal from a notebook into a companion, and companions get recommended, gifted, and reviewed. If you found value in this breakdown, subscribe to The Silent Publisher for more practical, no-fluff KDP strategies. And if you're ready to dive deeper, watch the next video on screen now. It could save you months of trial and error.